This is the SoniSleep. It is a device that amplifies into your pillow and turns your pillow into a speaker while you lie down or sleep. This is the perfect device for those who struggle to get sleep or would like a device to listen to audio while laying down. The SoniSleep's battery will last 14 nights from one charge. This device pairs with your device via the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology. The Sleepbar comes in at a cost of $50. You can use this device to listen to your favorite music, podcast, sounds, or whatever else you would like. To use this device, you must first turn it on by holding down the power button on the side for a few seconds. Once you have held the button, you should see a light start to blink indicating that it is on. From there, you then can connect it to your phone via Bluetooth. Now that your device is connected, you may now slide it under your pillow to use the device. To show you an example of the audio, I am going to play some wave sounds and some sleeping music. First, we have the wave sounds. Now, I will play the sleeping music. The audio on this device comes out very clear and can be heard when under the pillow. However, some users have noted that the sound does sound a little muffled while under the pillow. If you would like to test this device out, contact our program for a demonstration or to try it out on a loan. Thank you for watching, and follow us for more videos on assistive technology.